I was, I am, and every 50,000 years I come back. Copy?
Copy. Hold on 1 second, okay?
No, why? Why? Oh, I need to talk to a man, not a woman.
Yeah, that's why I told you to.
Alright, give me a man.
No, I am a man. And
You are a woman. You are a lower class soul. You are not in the upper class. You are a lower class pussy.
You can't tell me what I am.
Hey,
I don't have one of those.
I created you. I told you I was there, I am here, and I'll be forever. You're gonna be gone, but I'm gonna be here watching every move of you. Every move.
You should be.
Every move that you make. Every move that you make. Every move. You're supposed to cook dinner for your husband. You're not doing it. Hey, what did you have for lunch? It's now 12:38. It's now past. Oh, you wanna get a Philly cheesesteak? Philly cheesesteak. I love Philly cheesesteak.
You love Philly cheesesteak?
Yes.
Is that what they feed you in there?
No, it's in Telcordia, in Piscataway. There's a big building over there, Balfour. It's called Telcordia. On the third floor, there is a cafeteria. They make very nice Philly cheesesteak.
Oh, what else do they serve with it?
There is a soup. A soup you can choose lentils, or you can choose the other one. What is this? The brown one. I forgot the name.
Oh, onion? French onion?
Yes. French onion soup.
French onion. I like lentil.
You like lentil? I like lentil too. But once in a while, I like the other kind. The Philly cheesesteak.
That sounds good. Maybe I'll get that for lunch.
You have to go to Telcordia, but you cannot go over there. You have to be the employee over there.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm an employee here, so.
Yeah, you cannot go there. Sorry.
Now I'm hungry.
Go. Hey, let's not talk. Let's not talk about anything else. Let's hang up the phone.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Bye-bye. Crunch for Total Law, this is Jeff. How may I help you?
Robert Reed, please.
Excuse me?
Robert Reed, please.
He's not in the office. May I take a message?
No. When he's gonna be there?
I can get a message to him.
No, I need to speak with Robert Reed. My name is Abhi Baltakur. Spell it ABHIBARTHAKUR. Copy? You have a pen? Are you writing it down?
What is your phone number?
908. Figure it out. Figure it out. The earth is flat. Silver is money. Tell Robert Reed to give me a call back and leave a message. And tell me when I can speak with him. Copy? I got a 22 caliber gun. 22 caliber gun is good enough. I don't need 9mm. Copy? I don't need a 9mm. 22 caliber is good enough for Robert Reed. This is a threat. If he doesn't call me, he's gonna get a fucking 22 caliber between his eyebrows. Now, put him on the line. He's there, I know. Come on, do it. Come on, do it! Hey, Robert! Robert! Come on, talk to me, cocksucker! Robert! Talk to me, Robert!
Hello?
Oh hell! When you pick up the phone, you say, oh hell, right? You remember me? You remember me, cocksucker Gotti?
Yeah, well, I'm not Robert Reed, but I remember hearing your voice. I remember you're a very angry man.
Yes, I'm a fucking terrorist, isn't it? Because my dog was shouting and he was trying to bite a police officer, then he put me in jail for 6 months. Remember that?
No, I don't, because that's not me.
Hey, Robert, you are impersonating. Do not impersonate. If you impersonate, there's going to be another crime.
You're abusing my coworker, so yeah.
Hey, abusing? I'm speaking, cocksucker.
Well, see.
The earth is flat and silver is money. That's the truth. COMEX, the moment COMEX Chicago, Illinois silver market breaks, your court system is already finished, done. And I'm gonna come over in a fucking military jet. And I'm gonna drag you out, I'm gonna smoke you out from the hole.
Can you, what's your name, sir?
Do not say sir. S-R-I-S-I, no. Flip it. S-R-I, Sri. Learn Hindi. Learn Sanskrit. Would you want me to recite something? Would you want me to? Dambho darpo vimanascha krodha parsamevacha ajnanam savijatascha partham sampadam asurim. You are all demons. You are all fucking demons.
You're full of demons, is that what you said?
You are. That's why I say United States of Satanic, Demonic, Pornographic America. Would you like to go to a massage parlor? I've got a very nice place. $99 man to entry and $200 for a full service massage. Full service. Would you like to go? I can give you the address. Because I've been there. I've been there. I didn't say that you need to go somewhere that I was not there. I was there.
Do you know the alphabet?
Your alphabet is fucked up. I'll tell you my alphabet. It starts with A, E, I, O, U, M, O, man. I am is the fucking alphabetic cat sucker. Now put Robert Reed. The judge.
What is your name, please?
You figure it out! I give you social 503-239791. 503-2397. You work with numbers, right? 503-239791. Guess what? Let's conference to the police department of Flemington. Can we? Let me do that. Let me do that. Can we conference in the police department? Can we?
I don't want to call prison.
Oh, you don't want to call police department? Because the moment I call police department, they have to speak the truth, right?
Can we pick it up?
Hey, Robert! Your daughter died of the overdose, right? Yes or no?
I'm going to put you on hold for just a second.
Now, let me speak with Robert Reed. He got the connection with the Supreme Court of New Jersey. Huh? Okay, yeah, go ahead. I'm recording the calls. You're going to be in the bartakur.com. My website is barthakur.com. I'm going to put all my audios over there, including this one.
You said BARTHK?
No, barthakur.com. Go check it out. I'm watching you. If you come here, I'm going to watch all the logs.
Okay.
Come on, do it. Let's see if you're coming in here. I'm going to see your IP address. Come on, do it. BARTHAKUR.com. Go ahead, do it. I want to see if you're coming in there. No, you're not coming in yet. You're not coming in.
not a real case.
No? You're not coming. Neither you're coming at www, nor you're coming at balthakur.com. Come on, do it. If you have the guts.
What do you want, sir? I don't have a lot of time to do this. What do you want?
Oh, you have lot of time because I gave you the time. This is a 4D movie that I gave you 100 years of time. So you figure it out how you're gonna play it. You gonna take your Mercedes Benz with you? No. You gonna take your wife with you? No. You gonna take your children with you? No. You came alone, you're gonna go alone. So play by my rule. If your wife gives you dinner, take it. If she doesn't, cook yourself and have it. That's called no pushing or pulling. Stay by yourself. You be alone, you are alone, you gotta be alone. So figure it out. You have nothing to do with anybody. You go breathe air, eat the meal, whatever comes, take it. If there is a job, take it, do it. If there is no job, stay by yourself because you're gonna have food on your table any day. Because I am the fucking creator on this flat earth. It's not a fucking spinning ball. That's why I've said that figure out with your eyes and your math. Your math, you have math, right? You know the mathematics. Hey, if it is 1 mile away, there is 8 inch drop. There's 2 miles away. Hey, there's 32 inch drop. There's 3 miles away, 72 inch drop. You're 6 feet tall man. Send it over 3 miles.
Excuse me, I'm gonna
Look. I don't like to speak with women. Women have got nothing to do with this. Let me talk to the men. Women supposed to do the cooking and have sex and give the sex. Would you like to have sex with me? Would you? You cat sucker. How many cock did you suck to get this job? How many cock did you suck to get this job? You're supposed to be at home.
No.
You're supposed to be at home, you daughter.
Do you need medical assistance?
That's why I'm calling. Hey, there is a girl called Vicky Canada. She put me in the mental hospital for how many months? Tell me. Figure it out. So that's why I need to speak with Robert Reed. Honorable Robert Reed, Somerset County Courthouse, 20 North Bridge Street, Post Office Box 300, Somerville, New Jersey, 08876, or regarding Abhinava Bortakur. Your Honor, Dr. Suji Chang, PhD, visited the office of Attorney Todd Colombo in Cranford, New Jersey on June 26, 2017 to interview Abhinava Bortakur. Mr. Bortakur's competence could not be determined in the community. See ACA's report. The claim is being recommended for an inpatient evaluation. In case has been forwarded to Central Admissions, who will contact the detaining authority for medical and legal information necessary for admission. The evaluation report will be forwarded to your office. I trust the information will be assistance of you. If you have any further questions, please call Peter Carver at 609-633-1597. That's the respectfully Vicky. Vicky is dead. Vicky is dead. Copy? So I'm looking for Robert Reed. He's not gonna be dead. There's gonna be a moment when I'm gonna meet face to face with Robert Reed, the judge, who said, I'm gonna put 1 million years for all the people inside the jail. Guess what? I'm one of them. So let me talk to Robert. Where is he? Where is he? Hang up the phone. I'm tired. Hang up the phone. I'm gonna put this audio at balthakur.com under guest audio. I'm gonna say, I gotta go too. Hang up the phone. Bye.
Well, I want your message.
No. Bye. Enough talking. No, hold it together. এইটো রেকর্ডিং হল
Nobody calls from a landline. I have something for your 22.
I don't have no landline. Hey, Kaksaka.
1 minute to
Hello?
Oh hell! Oh hell!
Yeah,
609-577-1912.
You got it.
Who the fuck am I?
I don't know.
Oh, you're gonna figure out. You're gonna figure out pretty soon. The moment Chicago, Illinois. Have you been to Chicago?
Hare Krishna.
Oh, no. I am no Hare Krishna. No. Ha! Ooh. I spit on Hare Krishna.
Zimbabwe.
I spit on your Jesus Christ. I spit on your Allah. I am the
Allah
Neo. Have you seen Matrix?
Allah Akbar. Rar.
Thui! Allah. I'm not Allah. I am the Neo. N-E-O. Flip the letter.
Allah Akbar.
Barthakur.com.
Allah. Allah la la.
La. No, I'm not. Hey.
Mashallah. Allah.
The earth is flat, you cocksucker.
Mashallah. Allah.
22. Let's talk about the 22.
22 years old.
22 caliber.
556.
Ruger.
Luger or Ruger?
Ruger. R-U-G. Ruger 22 caliber.
Bad.
You have it? You have a 22 Ruger? Hey. Ruger.
Allah Akbar. Allah.
22 caliber. You gonna get it? One bullet between your fucking eyebrows. The moment Comex, Chicago, Illinois, silver market breaks. And it's gonna break.
Allah.
It's gonna break.
Mashallah.
Your Allah is not gonna save you. No. Yahweh! Jesus! No. Your Jesus is not gonna save you. Nor your Yahweh. Jew. Israel. Is it real? Israel.
Mashallah. Allah.
Allah. A-A-L-A-H. A head, 2 legs, and 2 arms is Allah.
And no dick.
Oh yeah, no dick. If he wants a dick, he becomes a dick. If he wants to become a pussy, he can become a pussy. Hey pussy, let me talk to the woman next to you.
Mashallah.
No. Let me talk to the woman. Woman!
allowed.
No woman
No
next to you.
woman allowed.
No
Mashallah.
woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. 609 South Jersey. Hey, I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna track you. I'm gonna smoke you out from your hiding. Wherever you're hiding.
Mashallah.
You're a fucking Muslim.
MashaAllah, Allah Akbar.
No, it's not Akbar. It's my park. The biggest park.
Allah Akbar.
No, it's not. I am the one, the Neo. Flip the letters. Dog. Your dog. You love your dog, right? Dog! Flip the letters. Where is Robert Reed? Robert Reed. Robert Reed from Somerset County in Flemington. Robert Reed, the judge. Oh, there are few more judges. I have the list. One in Newark, one in Trenton, in the Supreme Court judges. I'm gonna drag them out. You want me to tell you those names? No, I don't have to tell you. Go ahead, look and find out all the judges. Michael, remember Michael, the black judge from Newark, New Jersey? I'm waiting for his wife's pussy. Michael.
No woman, Allah Akbar.
What's your name?
Wallahi.
Alright.
Wallahi.
Wahabi.
Wallahi.
Wahabi.
Habibi.
Habibi. Wahabi.
No, Wallahi.
Wahabi. You wanna fuck my wife?
No.
Why not? Why not? Why not? She's alone.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allah.
Alright. You're fucking disgrace to the United States of Satanic, Demonic, Pornographic America. How many days? 15 days, 2 weeks. 2 weeks or 5 weeks or 7 weeks. You tell me how many weeks you want.
Ramadan, inshallah.
Ramadan is gone. Ramadan is gone. Hang up the phone, cocksucker. Yes, I am running a FM station at 88.0 FM. It's not a long range, but can you transfer me over to the corner office where he can realize the art is flat and the silver is money and IEEE is fake, false and phony? Hey, I'm running a radio station at 88.0 FM. Range is not very nice, but I'm working on it. Why don't you transfer me to the corner office over there? And the Hoseland. You are in the Hoseland, right? Across from Telcordia. Guess what? My name is Abhi Bortakor. I know all the places, in all the rooms and corridors in your office. And I have a 22 caliber gun in my pocket. I could walk in. Hey, across from the airport, there is a mental rehabilitation center. And there is supposed to be a Indian Bengali doctor who was heading it. And he ran away. He ran away! That is flat and silver is money, Kaksaka. Hey. You can do anything for money. Paper money, you can do any illegal stuff. You could do anything, whatever you feel like, as long as you get the money, isn't it, you cocksucker? Isn't it? Isn't it? You can't. Let me ask you that question. You could do anything whatsoever, as long as you get a raise or you get a bonus. Isn't it? You are a cop, right? A good cop is a fucking dead cop. My name is Abhi Bortakor. Hey, you wanna fuck my wife? I'm gonna give you the address. She's all alone. You wanna fuck her? You wanna fuck my wife, you cocksucker? You wanna fuck my wife? Call Hillsborough Township Police Department. They're gonna give you the address. Hey. You don't know what I'm talking about? I'm talking about the art being flat and silver being money. Do you have silver in your possession? You don't have no silver in your possession, but you don't have no children, but you have kids. Goat kids. Oh, you are alone? You are a single guy to mingle? Huh? Let me tell you, I'm gonna give you some address over there. Room number 23, just behind the gas station. $99 to get in and full service for another $200. You wanna go there? Full service. No, it's not. You make $120,000 a year. You make $120,000 a year. What's the $200 is nothing for you. Why are you broke? Why are you broke? Why are you broke? Are you having loan? Because that's the game plan. Everybody needs to go into the debt. Everybody needs to go and make a monthly payment. That's why you are in fucking disaster. This is a 4D movie that I put you in here. I put you in a 4D movie, not 3D. Where you can touch, feel, everything. Huh? No, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you, and listen and be silent. What is your name? Come on, give me your name. Because you are scared. You are so scared. You are fucking so scared. I can give you your if you cannot give me your name to your father. I'm your father. I'm your grandfather. I'm here. Tell you the truth. That is your fake grandfather. That is your fake grandfather. I'm telling you, I am the biggest grandfather of all time. The things, the tree, the house, everything that you see, it's my creation. Fuck you, cocksucker. I gave you a chance. Don't tell me that I didn't give you a chance. Don't tell me later that I didn't give you a chance. I gave you a chance and you missed it. Bortakor.com. Don't tell me 2 years from now that I didn't give you a chance to come back to me. Your great-grandfather. I told you the art is flat and silver is money. And you are in a 4D movie that I created. Do not tell me, do not blame me, do not blame ever that I didn't give you a chance. I did. but you failed. Hey, Jugal, it is now 12 noon Eastern Time on 24th of April. Do not blame me that I didn't give you a chance. I called you many times to tell you the truth that art is flat and silver is money. Dharmasya mulam artham. But you didn't like it, right? So, 2, 5, 10 years later, you don't come back. If you are alive and you are completely disoriented and destituted, don't come back and tell me, "Oi, Abhi, tumi mok kyo agote koa nasila? Why didn't you give me a chance? To Abhi tumi mok eta chance kyo diya nasila? Moi disilu nohoy, disilu nai. Tinita lokor na thoi kela mat sudai tur ghoror ei chimnit rong kori aisu upor uthi kela bhagavan tu ar toy muk siniyei na pali jano laura ekekhon khelai kheli asu maiki joni dhore aro mota toi jai kela mare heto ramoru hoise আৰু এইটো দ্ৰৌপদীৰো হৈছে আৰু অৰ্জুনৰো হৈছে এতিয়া এই ততৰ শ্ৰীকৃষ্ণ আলবাল নাৰায়ণ নাহে কেলা কলকিও নাহে আচল পাইছো না সম্মান কা মোহ না অপমান কা ভাই হোৱাৰ আগতে শিৱ হ'ব চেষ্টা কৰা মহাদেৱ হ'বতো কেতিয়াও নোৱাৰা বুজিছা মহাদেৱ কেতিয়া হোৱাৰ আগতে হ'ব হোৱাৰ আগতে হচৈকাৰ লগা আৰু শিৱ হ'ব চেষ্টা কৰ ভাংকা বিল্লা ঘাটে জাজি খুশি তাকে কর 17 संभाल चोरा उड़ा चला जाए रे मारना दे बैंक तेरा गाड़ कहीं आए गांडी भगाओ चोरा चांदी चली जाए रे देख देख पॉकेट फिसल जाए रे जा कोई जनी घुराई लोया What's for lunch? It's Five Guys or a Philly cheesesteak. Are you gonna have a Philly cheesesteak? What you gonna have for lunch? It's almost noon. Are you gonna go out and have some lunch? Oh, you are a Spanish guy. You're a fucking. Hey, bueno. Hey, ¿cómo está? Yeah, you are a Spanish guy. Spanish woman, mamacita. Me gusta mamacita español. La tierra es plana, es no pelota. Silver is money. Plata es dinero, es dinero. Hang up the fucking phone. I found him. Robert Reed. Robert Reed is your town. Karen's Rotolo. I found him. Yeah, he can hide anywhere he likes. He was in North. He was above 70 now. He's in the Flemington. I found him. No place to run and no place to hide. Yes, the art is flat and silver is money. La tierra es plana and plata es dinero. Hey, Yeah, I'm not making sense. You're gonna make some sense the moment COMEX, Chicago, Illinois silver market breaks and a 22 caliber dot will be between your eyebrows. How is that? Yes! I promise you that! Eyebrows. Do you have the eyebrows? The brows, that hair that you have above your eyes, there are place between that. Okay? And I'm gonna put a tilak, which I wear all the time, as you can see on my pictures everywhere on barthakur.com. BARTHAKUR.com. Did you see my picture? Did you see my picture? I wear it, right? I wear a red dot between my eyebrows, don't I? Cocksucker. Would you like to go and have some sex? I have a special deal. 99 bucks to get inside and 200 bucks for you have to give tips. I'm gonna give you the address. Would you like to go there? Nice young Chinese girl. Full service. Hey, would you like to fuck my wife? I'm gonna give you the address. She's all alone. She's all alone. She's all alone. Cocksucker! She's all alone, you motherfucker! That's what I said. I'm gonna put a fucking 22 caliber. I don't need a fucking 9mm. And I'm gonna find Robert Reed in your township. The moment COMEX, Chicago, Illinois silver market breaks. Stop talking! And I'm talking and you listen. Listen is silent. LISTEN is SILENT. Don't tell me that I didn't give you a chance to seek the truth, that the earth is flat and silver is money, and I'm the fucking creator. I played with you. I went to your house. I fucked somebody with a big telephone bill, and I fucked some with a credit card. But guess what? I am the king of the kings. I played just like you played. Figure me out. मुझे ढूंढो मत, केवल पहचानो. I'm playing the same game of wife and husband, like Sita and Ram, and Draupadi and Arjun. Huh? Good. Now Alpana and Abhinava, you figure it out. I gave you a chance. Do not tell me that I didn't give you a chance. Cocksucker, Anirban, Sharma and Gitanjali. Hey. Sarva dharma parityajya mamekam charanam braja. Braja means walk. What the braja? You walk my footstep. Hey, buy some silver. Get to know who the fuck are you. सब होने से पहले शिव हो जाओ. महादेव तो कभी नहीं बन सकते हो. इसे चतरा संभाल चोरा पूरा चला जाए रे. मार न दे बैंक तेरा गांड कहीं आए. गांडी भगाओ चोरा चांदी चली जाए रे. देख देख पॉकेट फिसल जाए रे. Am I going to destroy the United States of Satanic Demonic America by myself? Guess what? Go figure.
To police department. If this is an emergency, hang up and dial 911. If this is not an emergency, please listen carefully to the entire menu before making your selection. If you know your party's extension, you may dial it at If this is not an emergency, please listen carefully to the entire menu before making your selection. If you know your party's extension, you may dial it at any time. Lobby and the Records Bureau are open Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. until 4:30 p.m. Please make your selection from the following menu options. For non-emergency police assistance, press 1. For the Records Bureau,
Branch First Police, how can I help you?
I am, and every 50,000 years I come back. Copy?
Copy. Hold on 1 second, okay?
No, why? Why? Oh, I need to talk to a man, not a woman.
Yeah, that's why I told you to.
Alright, give me a man.
No, I am a man. And
You are a woman. You are a lower class soul. You are not in the upper class. You are a lower class pussy.
You can't tell me what I am.
Hey,
I don't have one of those.
I created you. I told you I was there. I am here, and I'll be forever. You're gonna be gone, but I'm gonna be here watching every move of you. Every move.
You should be.
Every move that you make.
Movie or something.
Every move that you make. Every move. You're supposed to cook dinner for your husband. You're not doing
You're
it.
a really good villain.
Hey, what did you have for lunch? It's now 12:38. It's now past. Oh, you wanna get a Philly cheesesteak? Philly cheesesteak. I like.
I don't like Philly cheese.
I love Philly cheesesteak.
You love Philly cheesesteak?
Yes.
Is that what they feed you in there?
No, it's in Telcordia, in Piscataway. There's a big building over there, Balfour. It's called Telcordia. On the third floor, there is a cafeteria. They make very nice Philly cheesesteak.
Oh, what else do they serve with it?
There is a soup. A soup you can choose lentils, or you can choose the other one. What is this? The brown one. I forgot the name.
Oh, onion? French onion?
Yes. French onion soup.
French onion. I like lentil.
You like lentil? I like lentil too. But once in a while, I like the other kind. The Philly cheesesteak.
That sounds good. Maybe I'll get that for lunch.
You have to go to Telco, but you cannot go over there. You have to be the employee over there.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm an employee here, so.
Yeah, you cannot go there. Sorry.
Now I'm hungry.
Go. Hey, let's not talk. Let's not talk about anything else. Let's hang up the phone.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Cheesesteak.
Teacher?